Yo, what's going on, folks? Man, it's your boy Money Mac coming back to you again from the set. Man, every once in a while, bro, we hit a period of time where the trend will start to slow down, right? And we have been in this sneaker lull for, I want to say, a good 8 months, maybe longer, where sneakers are becoming more and more available, or as the hype beasts or these people that just don't know no better say, sitting, right? But it's a great opportunity for people like myself and you, if you're watching this video, to get sneakers that you actually want without paying the resale price, because we all know how that game can get. That game got out of control real quick, where you paying upwards of $8, $9, $1,000 for a pair of shoes, which sometimes, like when the market is the way it is now, them prices fall straight through the bottom. So today we got these joints right here, which they are the Jordan 1 Low 85 OG in the metallic blue. Yup. Let's read the box tag, man. So we got the Air Jordan 1 Low 85 in the white, navy white colorway. My size, obviously. So the thing with these are, man, they ain't even dropped yet as of the recording of this video, and they have been at boutiques already selling. The official release date hasn't happened yet, but they are below retail on sale already. And for the life of me, I just don't understand. Well, I don't really need to understand. I don't care, because it's one of those shoes that are very, very easy to wear. And let me show it to you. This thing right here, man. Bruh, stop it. This shoe is ultra clean, man. And the low 85 cuts, right? They are super, super easy to wear. And the more, like Jordan 1s in general, the more they take a beating, if they have quality leather on them, the better they look. These are, in fact, very, very, very easy to wear. And I find myself with multiple pair of low OGs because of that reason. I can throw them on with anything. Just like a pair of Dunks, I think lows are my go-to now for whatever sneaker that I'm putting on for that day. Why? Because, hell, I live in Florida. Wearing high tops all the time is just not ideal. So when you can slap on a pair of easy wearing, comfortable, low sneakers, that makes your day go by even faster. Now with these, the materials are what they normally would be on a low 85. I have 3-4 pair of them joints now, and all of them held up fairly decent. The ones I rock the most are the Atmosphere Gray. I rock those the most. Why? I don't know, but I do rock those the most out of all the low OGs that I have. But this one I think is going to be in rotation for sure, just because of that navy blue. It's easy to find things to rock with that navy blue, and those metallic hits on the back and on the swoosh, man, it adds a little flair to the sneaker. Of course, you've got the Nike Air on the tongue right there. So yeah, you can't go wrong with this sneaker, man. But if you have worn low 85s before, you already know how that toe box can get. That toe box can do some stuff, man, as soon as you put them on. But again, this is one of those sneakers where the more you wear, the better they look. And these are no different than any other pair of low 85s. I'm with it. I'm glad that, I didn't get them actually on sale. I wish I would have did a little more research on these. I was waiting on these, but I wasn't checking for these like that. As I stated in one of the other future drops videos of March, these were on that list. So obviously when I got the notification that Grindmore was selling them already, I was like, oh, all right. And as of yesterday, when I got these in, it was more boutiques with 10% off. GOAT, StockX, they're going below retail, but below retail at that point really doesn't mean below retail. These will end up at the outlet. I could have waited to get these. I could have. These are definitely not going to be any different than any of the recent low OGs with the elephant print, the black toes, which one? The atmosphere, and then you had the university red. Yeah, all of those winded up at outlets, and I'm going to get the red ones just because I need them, just because they are easy shoe to wear. They're light. The price point is amazing now at the outlets. I was waiting for it to get a little lower, but I think I'm gonna pull the trigger. They were $100 last time I checked. So that, along with my military discount, bruh, I'm going to get them. But these, man, these get your boy stamp of approval just because this economy is crazy. And yes, I threw pink laces in one just so I could see what that accent would do to the shoe. And well, another reason, because these are my wedding colors, and that made my wife really happy that I put some pink laces in these shoes. So I like it. Let me know down below what you guys think. Would you put white laces in these? Would you throw some navy blue laces in these? Would you even get these at all? Let me know down below, man, what y'all think about the low OG 85 cut metallic blue. We've been waiting on this metallic blue to come back, but I don't know if they was waiting on it to come back in the low fashion. But we got what we got. These gonna be at outlets, folks. I'm gonna just tell you right now. If they ain't no if in it. These will end up at the outlets. These will be available. So if you are a fan of low OG 85s, these will be the ones to get, man. Just because they're gonna be an easy wear, bruh. And you can get them for a cheaper price point than I got because I didn't do my research. So let me know down below, man. If you haven't done so already, man, you already know the drill, bro. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you will know when we drop more things here on the set. I'm your boy Money Matt, bro. I'm gonna get on out of here and go do some important shit with my life because that's what I do sometimes. Peace.